What's up, tech nerds of YouTube? Can you imagine a future where you can control your phone, your computer, or even your own body just by thinking about it? That's right. Today, we are diving into the incredible world of Neuralink, a brain implant startup founded by none other than Elon Musk. Yes, the very man behind tech giants like Tesla and SpaceX. But what is Neuralink? Well, it's a company that is developing a brain-computer interface, or BCI, called Link. A link can be implanted into the brain using a robotic surgeon. It can record and transmit brain signals wirelessly to a computer or a smartphone, allowing the user to control various functions with their thoughts. Some of the potential applications of the link include restoring vision, hearing, speech, and movement in people with disabilities. It also has the possibility of enhancing cognitive abilities and memory, enabling new forms of communication and entertainment. But all of this was promised in the 2020 presentation by Musk. So what is Neuralink up to now in 2023? Let's find out. After years of testing its BCI device on animals, Neuralink has finally received the green light from the US Food and Drug Administration to start human trials. This involves implanting a link into the skull and connecting it to the brain by thin threads. The link will then record and stimulate brain activity, allowing the user to control a computer or a device with their thoughts. Neuralink plans to test the device on paralysis patients as part of the PRIME study, which is a clinical trial that will evaluate the safety and feasibility of the device. The trial will involve up to 10 participants who will use the link to perform tasks such as typing, browsing the web, playing games, and controlling a wheelchair. Neuralink has already claimed before that its BCI device could potentially restore sight in blind people, enable amputees to control prosthetic limbs, and even help people with spinal cord injuries to walk again. Musk has said that he envisions a future where humans can use Neuralink to upload their consciousness, download skills, communicate telepathically, and merge with artificial intelligence. Neuralink has already raised $280 million in a Series D funding round led by Founders Fund, a venture capital firm co-founded by Peter Thiel, who is also a former PayPal colleague of Musk. The funding round also included participation from other prominent investors such as Google Ventures, Andreessen Horowitz, and DFJ Growth. The company said it will use the funds to expand its team, scale up its manufacturing, and advance its research and development. Neuralink currently has over 200 employees and operates from its headquarters in San Francisco. However, similar to its eccentric founder, Neuralink has had its fair share of controversies over the years. They have faced criticism and scrutiny over its animal testing practices, which have involved implanting the device in pigs, monkeys, and rats. They've also been accused of violating animal welfare regulations and causing unnecessary harm and suffering to the animals. An article in Wired revealed how Neuralink and the University of California, Davis have been keeping the grisly images of test monkeys hidden from the public. It claimed that Neuralink conducted years of tests on monkeys at UC Davis, using them to test its BCI and to train them to play video games like Pong. The article also alleges that Neuralink violated animal welfare laws and ethical standards by killing some of the monkeys after the experiments and disposing of their bodies without proper documentation. The U.S. Office of the Inspector General launched an investigation into Neuralink in 2022 over these allegations. Neuralink has defended its animal testing methods, saying that they are essential for developing and improving its BCI technology and that they follow strict ethical standards. Neuralink has also been facing some stiff competition. Microsoft News announced that Precision Neuroscience, a rival company of Neuralink, has acquired a manufacturing facility that can produce the key component of its brain implant. The component, called a microelectrode array, is a thin sheet of silicon that contains hundreds of tiny electrodes that can record and stimulate brain activity. The article also states that Precision Neuroscience plans to use its brain implant to treat neurological disorders such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and depression. So there you have it. These were the latest updates on Elon Musk's most ambitious project yet, mind control. Soon you can possess powers similar to that of Professor X from X-Men. But can these chips be hacked? Will robots control our minds one day? Now that's a subject for another video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.